let us walk over to the trampoline. So you see, my name is Batman. This is my little outdoor place. Yeah, that's my swing set. My Batman ears are like going all over the place. I bet I'm gonna run into the trampoline any minute now. Oh, here it is. We're gonna see this awesomeness. Ready? Yeah! Woo! This has been Batman.